Here's the difference with just the foundation.
That was the new foundation from Makeup Forever, the HD Skin.
Non-sponsored test.
Like what? Ok, c'est le nouveau fond de teint de chez Makeup Forever.
If you haven't watched already, that was me going viral on social media last week just because I used this foundation. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. Today we're talking about the new HD Skin by Makeup Forever. Now, because I have hyperpigmentation and uneven skin, I'm always looking for that foundation that gives me that extra coverage without looking cakey, but also makes my skin look like skin and flawless. So today we'll be putting the HD Skin by Makeup Forever to a non-sponsored test. I'm not paid to do this. I don't think the brand even knows I'm doing this, but I want to do this. I'm using the shade 2R24. I'm taking just one pump, and this is the Folklore foundation brush. I've already prepped my skin, and I'm going to include all those details in the description box below. And I'm going to be applying this foundation just to one side of my face so we can compare it with the other side of my face. The actual test is that little patch that I have underneath my lip. One swipe, and it's gone. As you can see, it's covering everything up beautifully. It is not caking up. I showed a shorter version of this video on social media and I hadn't put this up here. And as you know, I never use foundation underneath my eyes. I always use a concealer, but just to test it out, let's see how it performs. Again, all it takes is just that one swipe. What a big difference it makes. And look at the difference between the sides. I'm not just talking about the coverage. Look at the way the texture is. It looks like skin. It is such a good shade match. Overall, it gives you such a healthy glow. It gives you a very natural finish. On TikTok, I didn't really show how I finished this look up because those are shorter videos. Although I don't think I need it, I'm always comfortable with a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes. So I'm using my favorite Milani concealer in the shade 145. Just underneath my eyes, I'm going to blend it out. And I'm going to set the right side of my face with the Makeup Forever HD powder. I'm pressing it in with a powder puff to get that flawless coverage. You can also use a powder brush if you prefer. Let's clean up exactly at the half mark so we can compare the two sides. I'm going to quickly apply some concealer on my lids. I'm going to apply some mascara and some light makeup, and I'll be right back. Again, it's covered my uneven skin tone beautifully. And in one of my videos, I saw that somebody said that my skin actually doesn't look uneven. I've just applied makeup to make it look like this, but no. This is the real deal. I do have dark circles and I do have dark patches, so I'm not making this up. You can see how much of a difference a good foundation can make. What do you think about this? I'd love to hear your thoughts. I'm going to finish the other half exactly like I did with this half, and I'm going to be right back. And here's my full face with makeup. For mascara, I use the Benefit Bad Girl Bang. On my lips, I use the Bare Minerals Lip Gloss in Serenity. And for blush, I use the Colourpop blush in Baby Cakes. And I'm going to include all this information in the description box right below this video. So do check that out. And no, there is zero filter on this. The only filter is the foundation, basically. Let me turn on the filter. So filter on. Absolutely hate it. Let's turn it off. This is what I like. What about you? Let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, as always, please don't forget to thumbs up. If you're not following me on social media, all the links are listed down below in the description box, along with all the products that I used. So do check that out as well. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I post several times a week. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.